Hello ladies and gentlemen, fans of Green Earth. After a longer break, I'm greeting you with another video. This time we've prepared some information for you about this product because we're planning a promotion for it and it would be good to refresh some of the benefits this product offers. It's actually a blend of CBD and CBG, which, as we who are familiar with cannabis know, means that cannabis works synergistically, so the compounds enhance each other's therapeutic potential. So this product is really designed to be, in many ways, much more intense compared to pure CBD alone. But of course, that's not always entirely true. Both the CBD and CBG are extracted in a way that preserves their broad spectrum. So these are actually full spectrum extracts, which means they really contain not only these two cannabinoids, but also other cannabinoids in trace amounts. And of course, a whole range of other substances like terpenoids, flavonoids, and so on. Why choose this blend in particular instead of just going for pure CBD or CBG? From my therapeutic experience, I know that this blend is particularly suitable, for example, for glaucoma, also known as green cataract, where it is taken internally, say 2 or 3 times a day, and at the same time it can also be applied to the eyelids before bedtime. And then I've also found it very effective for various issues, whether it's skin problems, atopic eczema, or psoriasis, because CBG, there have actually been studies suggesting that CBG might help regenerate skin cells more effectively. So in combination with CBD, it creates a stronger effect for skin regeneration. We've also found it very effective, for example, with issues like certain types of hyperactivity, restlessness, or attention disorders in children, where CBG actually provides a more pronounced sedative effect. It definitely enhances the neurological effect as well. So definitely for problems of a neuropathic or polyneuropathic nature, tingling, numbness in the limbs, all of that. This product can really address these issues to a greater or lesser extent. And of course, for example, sleep, and also a strong anti-inflammatory effect, which is beautifully enhanced when these two cannabinoids are combined. Of course, the application is always a bit different. You start with a small amount and gradually increase the dose. So definitely don't be afraid to try this product. It will now be on sale, and if you need anything, we're here for you at the consultation center, and you can get advice by phone or in writing. Take care. Bye.